Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. It's Thursday, February the 28th, and it's 12 o'clock. I'm Grégoire Mitre, the new presenter of the news of Effortois. Today, in the sports section, we will go to Nancy, where the legendary player Michel Platini played for the local team, the ASN. Then, again in Nancy, we will see that an unprecedented crisis is taking place because of the bad result of the local football team. And finally, to close this news, to follow our weekly cultural section of the most beautiful monuments in France, we return again in Nancy on the Stanislas Square. Without transition, we find our reporter Nathan Damas live in Nancy. To you, Nathan.
Hello everybody, today in the sports section we will talk about the best French soccer, Michel Platini. I'm in Nancy because Michel Platini played for this team. Michel Platini was a French football player who played at the midfield post. He was born in Jeff in Meurthe-et-Moselle of June 21, 1955. He notably played for the Juventus of Turin. According to the magazine France Football, Michel Platini is the best French player ahead of Zinedine Zidane and Raymond Kopa. For example, he was president of the UEFA from 2008 to 2015. So I'm going to introduce you his training club, the ASNL, Association Sportive Nancy-Lorraine in French. The ASNL has been created in 1910 located in the city of Nancy in the northeast of France. This club plays in the stadium Marcel Picot, and the stadium has 22,000 places. The club won a League Cup and a France Football Cup. However, this year, the club is going through a difficult season as it is 19 of League 2 and could risk going back down in National. So, I'm going to interview young Pasopsi to find out what he thinks of this.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello. It's a television?
Yes, yes.
Oh yes.
I am reporter for François. And what do you love football?
Yes, it's my favorite sport and this is my passion.
Okay, cool. And what do you think about Michel Platini?
For me, Michel Platini is the best French player of the time and is an example for me.
Yes, naturally. And what do you think about the ASNL season?
I am very worried because it will be a horrible thing to go back to being a national, and I am very disappointed because I know our club deserves better than that.
Alright, thanks for your answer. And I hope your club saves their season.
Yes, thank you.
Bye!
Bye. Look at this, Croise pas.
Yes! Oh shit! Oh! To conclude, Michel Platini is a middle in Nancy and the population is very sad to the result of her club this season.
That was really close to touch. And we hope that this team will manage to get through. Now, still in Nancy, David Pujadas is on place to take the temperature of the mercantile hunger exceeded by the lack of consumer of these last days.
Indeed, it is here in Nancy that the inhabitants decided to put an end of the economy of the city by ceasing to consume goods and services. The reason is simple and very understandable. It is simply due to the catastrophic result of the ASNL seen the last weeks. A good part of the population wishes to react to the players and will consume in mass to annoy the players of the ASNL. For over a week, Nancy's economy has been in free fall and several stores are starting to close one by one. By the way, here it is the last shopkeeper we went bankrupt in this tweet. Hey man, come on. How are you?
I'm Robert. Do you want water?
No thanks. Introduce yourself and explain your situation.
I'm Robert. I'm 32. And I'm really angry because of the soccer team. Because the results are so bad, and then I can't sell my bottle of water.
Okay, are you sure it's because result of soccer
Of course, it's them.
How much did you sell your bottles?
10 euros, almost full, and almost empty. 2.5.
10 euros?
Yes, 10.
10 euros. Okay. Yes, it's really cheap. We see that Robert is really hungry, but tell me, do you think you deserve to suffer the consequences of the poor result of your team?
Of course not. Of course.
Okay, yes, thank you Robert for this answer. Really developed. We wish you not to give up like your team. However, an incredible number of people have begun to demonstrate the revive the economy. They block the streets and become uncontrollable. I'll let you look behind you.
Manifestation.
Incredible.
In fact, it's very impressive. We will now leave you for a short ad page right away. I am a tooth, so white and so strong.
I am a toothbrush, my blisters are long. Together we work to keep the bad guy away. He's mean and he hurts, and his name's Tooth Decay. I am Tooth Decay, your teeth shall be mine. With candy and treats, I will take your teeth.
I am the toothpaste, and I am so fresh. With me your teeth decay will be away.
I am a tooth, so white and so strong.
I am a toothbrush, my blisters are long. Together we work to keep the bad guy away. He's mean and he hurts, and his name Tooth Decay. But where is Tooth Decay?
Thanks to toothpaste incident, your teeth will be white and protect.
Welcome back after the short ad page. Do you know the Place Stanislas? You have certainly heard of this wonderful square in Nancy. Well, today, in our weekly cultural section on the most beautiful square, the most beautiful monument of France, we are going to present you this square inscribed to the World Heritage of UNESCO since 1983. A report by Lorenzo Lamartin, Nathan Damas, and David Pujadas.
Hello everyone, we are here today at the Stanislas Square, or Place Stanislas in French. It's a beautiful place located in the center of Nancy. This pretty big city has over 100,000 citizens, but that's not very important. We are here today to talk about the place I am right now. How incredible it sounds, the Stanislas Square is the most beautiful square in Europe and is member of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It's a large pedestrian square that is 125 meters long and 106 meters wide. You can see behind me the Saturn statue created by George Jacob, and on my front the beautiful city hall of Nancy. On my right you can see the Arc de Triomphe, like in Paris, but in smaller. That's why it's a very iconic place in Nancy that attracts a lot of tourists from Europe and worldwide. But I'm also here to talk about an event that takes place here every year. A lot of events take place here, like the ephemeral garden that dress up with plants the Stanislas Square, thanks to a garden, for example. The event I want to share you is an event that takes place here every summer. It's a beautiful light and sound show. But what is it exactly? A show that projects forms and pictures with a story on the 5 facades that are all around me. It's a breathtaking show along with sounds to make it even more beautiful. Last year, over 800,000 people attended to this show. It's 8 times more than the number of citizens in Nancy. You can have the chance to see this from June to September, and all I can say that it's worth it. It was Lorenzo Lamartin for the culture theme of the day. I wish you a good day and see you tomorrow to discover another beautiful place in France. Goodbye.
What a wonderful place, isn't it? Well, on this report, we will close this news thanking to the reporter. And my team and I wish a good day to all the guys that are watching us. And don't forget that you can watch or rewatch this news on our online on the site FR3 Replay. And we give you an appointment this evening, always on France 3, for the quarter to 20 p.m. presented by Jean Dujardin. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
I am to decay, your teeth shall be mine, with candy and trees, I will take your teeth.
Ah merde.